ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम् मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। Harihi Om. With the grace and blessings of your Ishtadevata, the chosen deity, God of your choice, may we take the permission from the God and proceed into this meditation. Become aware of the center of your heart. Feel the center of your heart. The Hrudaya Kendra, the heart center, the Anahata Chakra Kendra. Become aware of it. The chest and the center of your chest. Become aware of it. Feel the movement of the breath in the center of your chest, just as you felt the movement of the breath in the eyebrow center. Even though the breath moves in and out through your nostrils, similarly, feel the movement of the breath in the center of your chest, the Hrudaya Kendra, the Anahata Chakra Kendra. Become aware of it. You can easily feel the movement of the breath, and also, if possible, feel the presence of the pulsating pranic energy in the center of your chest, the Anahata Chakra Kendra, the Hrudaya Kendra. Become aware of it. Feel the movement of the breath. Feel that the breath is functioning from the center of your chest. Whatever may be the rate of breathing, feel that the breath is moving in and out through the chest center. Feel the presence of the energy, the throb of the energy inside the center of your chest. Become aware of it, conscious of it. Feel the presence of the pranic energy, the prana shakti, the pulsating energy, the throbbing energy in the center of your chest. Feel the presence of the movements of the breath inside this center, which facilitates the easy presence of the pulsating energy. When you associate your mind with the imagination of the movement of the breath in this center, it gets connected to the pulsating energy in this very center. Now slowly imagine the presence of the light, the flame of the lamp, or the bright light of the size of your thumb, the bright light of the size of your thumb in the heart center, Hrudaya Kendra. Imagine the presence of the light of the size of your thumb in the heart center. Recollect the experience in your life where you have seen the bright light. Imagine the experience where you have seen the bright light. Recollect that experience and position that light in the center of your chest, the Hrudaya Kendra. The bright light of the size of your thumb, radiating energy, pulsating energy, throbbing energy in the center of the chest, the Anahata Chakra Kendra, the Hrudaya Kendra. Whatever light you might have seen in your day-to-day living, Feel the presence of that light, the splendorous light, the brilliant light of the size of your thumb in the very center. You can associate that light with your Ishta Devata, whatever might be your chosen God. Associate that light with your Ishta Devata. Feel that the God of your choice is present there in the form of the light to purify you, to purify all of us. You can even add the mantra of your choice of that God to make it more deeper. For example, Om Namo Narayanaya. 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 The presence of the breathing followed by the feeling of the pulsating energy associated with the divine light of the size of the thumb, and also associated with the mantra of your chosen God. If you feel like, you can even associate the form of your God, all of them in the center of your heart, the heart center. offer all of the impurities, whatever they might be, which are obstructing the free flow of contemplation and meditation, or whatever might be the internal impurity which is trying to pollute the mind. Offer that into this very light in the center of your chest, the Hridaya Kendra. Recollect that and offer it and tell your God to take it away. Whatever might be the thought or emotion, whatever might be the thing it is which is bothering you in your contemplations and meditation, offer it unto the light which is shining brightly and brilliantly with lustre and splendor. Offer that unto the light of your God. Tell your God, O God, please help me, please assist me, please be kind on me, please have your grace upon me, please shower your infinite compassion upon me. I am unable to handle these things. They are looking very strong and powerful. When I am trying to handle them, they look so powerful. My individual strength and energy is unable to handle them. So I leave them unto your care. Please take them away. Please handle these things. And you may please take them away from my life. May they not appear again in my living, in my life. You please take them away. You please take them away. I offer all of these impurities unto you, all such negativities unto you. I am offering all of them unto your light, like the dravyas are offered in the homa, where the fire takes all of them away. Like that you offer all the impurities unto your God, whosoever the God might be. All of them are one when you imagine them as the light, the bright, brilliant light, shining white, brilliant light, the splendorous light. Offer all of them unto your God. Let Him handle, let Him take care of all these things, and may you be freed from all these impurities, whatever they might be. Offer all of them unto God, and feel relieved, feel the freedom, feel that you are unburdened, feel that all these things have vanished from your life, vanished from your mind, vanished from your chitta, all the impressions and the tendencies that are bothering you, offer all of them. And feel the divine light after taking away all of them, yet shines in its splendorous glory, shines with brightness and lustre. Feel that the light is becoming brighter and brighter, brighter and brighter, brighter and brighter. Surrendering all the things that are bothering you to your God. He will take care of them. He will handle them for you. He will manage them for you. And you will be freed from all of them. Harihi Om. Harihi Om. Harihi Om. Withdraw yourself from this process slowly. Simply become aware of the center of your chest, the Hridaya Kendra. Slowly become aware of the Ajna Chakra Kendra, the Bhrumadhya Kendra, the Chidakasha Dharana Kendra, the center between your eyebrows. Become aware of this center. Become aware of it. Become conscious of it. Feel the presence of the pulsating energy in this center. This is the most conscious center. Become aware of it, conscious of it. Feel the presence of the Prana Shakti in this center. If you cannot feel the presence of the energy, then feel the presence of the movement of the breath. Feel that the breath is functioning from this center, from the eyebrow center. Feel that the breath is moving in and out of this center. Feel this center. Feel the presence of the breath, and along with it, the pulsating, throbbing energy. Imagine the presence of the bright light, the brilliant bright light. Of the size of your thumb. Brilliant white light of the size of your thumb. Feel the presence of the light. The brilliant, bright light. Become aware of it, conscious of it. Now take that light deep into the inner center, inside, deep inside your head. Exactly from the center between your eyebrows, draw a straight line and go deep into the center of that straight line, inside the head. One vertical line from the top of your head up to the throat center, then one horizontal line from the center of your Ajna Chakra up to the back of your head, exactly at the meeting point of these lines. Imagine this light. This light is of the size of your thumb. It is a bright light. Imagine this light, and this light is spreading upwards in the same manner. It is like the light of the Shivalinga. It is like the light of the Shivalinga, and that light of Shivalinga is moving upwards, is rising in its height, moving upwards and rising in its height, moving upwards. Position this light in the inner center inside your head at the meeting point of these lines, and from there it is rising upwards. The size of that light, which is in the form of the Shivalinga, is rising upwards so that it reaches the Sahasrara Chakra. It reaches the center on top of your head. It reaches the center on top of your head. The whole of the portion between the innermost Ajna Chakra and the Sahasrara is filled with the light, the divine light. It is of the form of the Shivalinga. From the size of your thumb, it started taking the shape of the Shivalinga, and it rises in its height and then touches the Sahasrara Chakra, the center on top of your forehead. You can feel the presence of the energy on the center on top of your head. Surrender your ego to this very light. I offer my ego completely to this divine light, which is now in the form of shape of Shivalinga. I offer my ego to the very Rudra, who will reduce it to nothingness and make it vanish and take it away. You can offer your ego to this divinity, which is in the form of the light of the shape of Shivalinga, starting from the innermost deep center of your Ajna Chakra, rising up to the Sahasrara Chakra. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivaya Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivaya Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivaya Swaha. You are offering your ego unto Him. Again, the choice of God is your freedom. You are not conditioned to imagine only one type of divine expression. The choice is yours. Feel the light, the presence of the divine light, and you have offered your ahankara, the abhimana, to the divinity. Take your awareness completely to the Sahasrara Chakra on the top of your forehead, the center point on top of your head, the topmost portion of your head. It started from the center on your forehead between the eyebrows. You went deep inside into the Ajna Chakra. Then you connected it to the Sahasrara, the center on top of your head, the topmost point on top of your head, the center on top of your head. Feel the presence of the light which is spreading all over your top portion of the head. The top portion of your head is full of this bright light. The whole of your head is filled with this divine light. The whole of your head starting from your Ajna Chakra, deep inside the innermost presence of the Ajna Chakra, then top of your head, the center on top of your head, the light is filling the whole top portion of your head. From the Ajna Chakra onwards up to the Sahasrara, the whole of your head is filled with the divine light. Filled with the divine light. Completely splendorous, bright, lustrous, divine light. You offered all the impurities to the divinity at the center of your chest, the Hridaya Kendra. Then you offered the ego by imagining the light in the center between your eyebrows and going deep inside. The impurities are offered to him. The ego is offered unto him. And there is nothing left that is yours. All that is yours is merged into him. Now you realize that you are of the form of the light of consciousness, pure consciousness, pure Brahmic consciousness. You are nothing but Swayam Prakasha Atman, the pure light of consciousness. Imagining the presence of the divinity in in this center will not only make us feel that we are the light of consciousness, but also the whole of the system becomes cleansed and pure. We feel filled with the divine light all over the system. If you want to associate that light with divinity of any form of your choice, you are free to do so, because some of you might feel that if it is associated, it might keep the whole awareness there. When we feel the presence of the divine light in the center, Sahasrara, on top of the head, the center on top of the head, not only that we can feel the light in this center, but also from the cosmos, the cosmic divine light from the highest levels of consciousness as a beam enters into the center. A beam of light from the highest levels of consciousness enters into the center and purifies us completely. We create a link, a channel, a connection for the light from the highest levels of consciousness to enter into the center from the cosmos. The cosmic divine beam of energetic light enters into our system from the above through this center. But if one is very much absorbed into the feeling that I am the light of consciousness, that alone is sufficient. Light of consciousness. I am that pure light, self-luminous light of consciousness. When you offer anything to the light, it becomes that light. Even the impurities get converted into light. They are absorbed into the light. Whether it is at your heart center or the Hridaya Kendra or at the Ajna Chakra Kendra, they are all taken away, absorbed into the very light. They become the light, and you can feel relief from all of them. And slowly you have identified with the light. The you as the ego is no more functioning. You only remain as the light of consciousness, the supreme light of divine presence. The divinity itself. Sometimes three of you can feel the whole of the forehead is filled with light, and whole of the top head also may be filled with light. The whole of your head is completely filled with light. Even imagination of this process will do immense good. If one is not able to feel the light, even imagination will do a great good. Harihi Om, Harihi Om, Harihi Om. Become aware of the center between the eyebrows. Become aware of the center between the eyebrows. Become conscious of it. Now from the state of the light of consciousness, you are again identifying with something as your center. Become aware of the center, Ajna Chakra Kendra, the Chidakasha Dharana Kendra. Now slowly become aware of the center of the chest, the Hridaya Kendra. Become aware of the Hridaya Kendra. And from there, the whole of your chest. Then recognize your body. Then by becoming aware of your fingers, palms, release your fingers. Slowly take your hands upwards, take your palms near to your eyes, position them in front of your eyes at a distance, and slowly try to look at them. Close your eyes. Position the hands back into normal state. Muladhara